What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. I want to start off with letting people know that there are other channels out there on YouTube that have XP content. Now, one of the channels that I do follow as well is Lenins World. He's a drummer, so he has drumming content on there, but he also has a red XB with lots of nice stuff in his engine bay, so check him out. There's also Insignificant Boost. He has a second gen, or he's had a couple of second gens, but check him out. He's got some good content as well. Lujin's Custom Cars. He just started his YouTube channel, so he has some content on there. And then he's not really an XB content channel, but he does have an XB, and I've talked to him numerous of times, and that's Jarvis's Random Rants. He has a good channel, does a lot of unboxings. It's really good, so check him out. So these are all channels that I also follow as well, and again, as a XB community and as YouTube channel creators, we want to stick together, so go and check them out. What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're going to change the side markers on our first gen Scion XB to sequential lights. So it's actually going to be one strip of LED going like this, blinking as you turn your lights on. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the side marker here. And usually you just pull up and it pops right out. So we'll push the tab here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to twist. So with the prongs facing away from you, you're going to twist to the left and you're going to pull out just like that. So we'll put this off to the side. And since I'm not using the bulb, I'm just going to take it off with my bare fingers. We'll take the bulb out just like that. And here is the sequential light. So I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but there's like one line that goes across, which is LED. So when you turn the blinker on, it'll just go like that. It'll shoot across. And so they're smoked and they're kind of like blacked out. So if you see it there, it'll kind of hide in there. So this has the lighting just like this. This is what's going to go in place of the bulb. So if you grab your piece just like this, what you'll do is, again, you'll have the prongs like this facing away from you, and the side that says CE, there's one side that says CE, and there's one side that says dot. The side that says CE, so if this is facing away from you, CE is going to be facing you. So these are going to be facing that way, the prongs are going to be facing that way, and then CE is going to be facing towards you. So when you put it in, you'll put it in just like that. So again, if it's up like this with the prongs facing away from you, CE, the side that says CE, will be facing towards you, and you'll add it in just like that. So sometimes what you're going to need to do is, if you notice these little prongs right there, they're going to be a little loose sometimes. So you might have to squeeze them just a little with screwdriver or whatever, and you'll just squeeze those prongs in just to get a hold of this here. So you'll put it in just like that. And now with the bigger side of the light here, that's going to be facing towards you. And then you'll have the prongs facing away from you, just like this. And you'll turn it slightly, like so. So it'll be like that. And once you put it in there, and it might be a little bit hard, you might have to shave down just a little bit of the plastic here for the prongs to fit in. So it'll pop in just like that, and then you'll twist to tighten. So now you have it all set up to put back on the car. So you'll clip this back in, just like that. Then you'll add it back to the car. So now we'll test it out. And there you have it. Now you have sequential lighting for your side markers and the blinkers. But there you have it. We've changed the side markers on your scionxb to sequential side markers. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get these. Really easy to do. Makes your car look good. All that fun stuff. Also, want to give you an update. So here is the DC Sport strut bar that I had in the attic. I started using the Rust-Oleum aircraft paint remover. So as you can see, it is coming off. I still need to do a little more. You can see there. And then we'll sand it down, take all the rust off that was underneath. The plaque here, I'm gonna have redone, maybe just DC Sport, but it'll be, silver looking and look really good. So I'm gonna paint this probably silver, and then paint the valve cover silver too, or blue. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what mood I'm in. Also, the second gen has a air cleaner just like this, and if you've noticed on first gens and even second gens, these are broken off, and so whenever I turn the car on, this kind of wobbles because these are broken off here. So what I did was I went to the junkyard and I found this off of a 2012 Scion TC. So we'll add this onto the second gen later on, and yeah, second gen TCs, second gen scionxbs, they all have the same engine in there, so pretty easy to do. So like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.